Hi, my name is Gertrude Rompre and I work with the campus ministry team at St. Thomas More College. Usually the campus ministry team loves to give away ice cream when the students are on campus. This year we can't do that, so I thought I would teach you another sweet skill: how to make ice cream in a bag. So for this recipe, you only need 3 ingredients: sugar, vanilla, and most importantly, a cup of cream. So we'll also need salt, ice, a couple plastic bags, and oven mitts. So you can either use regular salt or coarse salt, it doesn't matter. Way back in March, I was in quarantine with my niece. This is my niece, Chantal.
Hello.
We actually made this recipe one night when we were craving ice cream. So this is how you do it. In your small bag, you put in your first 3 ingredients: a tablespoon of sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla, and 1 cup of cream. So next you fill the large bag halfway up with ice and mix in a 1/4 cup of salt. So the next step is to take the bag with your ice cream ingredients and put it in the larger bag with the ice. You might want to add a little more ice. Seal the bag. Then, if you're on your own, take a pair of oven mitts and use the bag, throw the bag back and forth for about 6 to 10 minutes. Or, if you have a partner, you can make it an interactive activity.
The 5 P's of campus ministry.
So when you're done churning your ice cream, take out the bag, wipe it off, and enjoy your ice cream.